Starting a faceless YouTube channel is an exciting endeavor. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to get started. First, it's essential to choose your niche carefully. Select a topic you are passionate about and research to find a unique angle within that niche. Next, create a content plan, including a content calendar, video ideas, and scripting. Ensure you have the necessary equipment like cameras, microphones, and lighting for high-quality recording. Editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro is also crucial. When it comes to recording, set up a dedicated space for shooting. Maintain consistent video quality and experiment with different camera angles. Voiceovers and narration are often used to guide the audience, so pay attention to clear and engaging delivery. Video editing is a critical step, where you cut, edit, and enhance your content, incorporating background music and sound effects. Thumbnails and titles should be eye-catching and engaging to attract viewers. Understand the importance of SEO for YouTube. Use keywords and tags effectively, and promote your content through social media and collaborations. Consistency is key in building your audience, and it's vital to have patience as growth takes time. Success stories demonstrate the potential for building a loyal following. In conclusion, starting a faceless YouTube channel requires dedication, but with the right niche, planning, equipment, and promotion, you can create compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Remember, success on YouTube is an evolving journey, so stay committed, adapt, and continue learning to grow your channel. Good luck on your YouTube journey.